'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone in a sec.
Hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here, you guys. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been. All right, so let me just start off by saying that this is a quick intro, so excuse the appearance. Hair is up. All right, but I did want to just hop on here just to kind of let you guys know that I am going to be starting a new series. It has to do with home, so I'm going to kind of label it house to home update or whatever. So we have so much to do in the house, and because we do, I think it's just right that it just has its own little series. So this first house to home update project is going to be on the laundry room. I'm gonna just go back in time and show you guys how the laundry room looked completely empty when we got our washer and dryer, and what I plan to do. So this is gonna be a very short video. I'm just kind of letting you know what I plan to do, and I'm gonna throw up some pictures and I'm gonna do some voiceovers for this and everything like that. But either which way, you guys, I am just hopping on here just to say hi. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there's going to be a lot more videos to come because we have so much to do in the house. All right, so yes, quick video. So let's go.
Good. Oh, you had it?
Yeah, I dig around and left found it.
Hey, what's going on? All right, so it's really late, but I wanted to take you around. All right, so this is currently the state of the laundry room. It's really late. That's why I'm whispering. All right, so I might do a voiceover, but I wanted to kind of just let you guys know, let you see this is currently what the laundry room is looking like. You guys know that we already had these installed because we did that when we were building the house. So when I normally buy like bigger jugs, it doesn't fit, and that's why we did this sink. Purchased this from Lowe's, and then we actually paid for the rough-in. This sink, I would say 100 something, and I actually really like it. So we don't have all of the stuff yet, but we're going to purchase that, and that's what we're going to start on. That's what we're going to actually start doing pretty soon. But I love this sink because, one, it comes literally with everything. So, and everything is in this right here, so it's like the faucets in there and everything like that, and it's a retractable faucet, so I love it. And then it comes with like the knobs and everything, so I really like it. Plus it's like soft close, like it's perfect. So then you have a lot of storage underneath, so we have a lot of flushable wipes, some soap, detergent, the scent beads, so on and so forth. So yeah, just kind of keep excess everything here so everybody knows that when they run out of stuff, you just come in here and you come and get it. I need shampoo, so I ran out of that. Normally I put like the paper towels there and the tissue there. That's clean, but it's not supposed to be there. So, and then like, and the mop heads I put right there. We just purchased that. Put that on here, that way everything else can kind of just hang over there. And I am in the process of doing laundry right now, but I got this from Amazon, and this is what the laundry room looks like. So basically I'm thinking about putting like wallpaper on this wall. Okay, so I'm gonna put a backsplash here, and then we're gonna put like a counter right here. So it's gonna kind of go from here and then kind of fall down like the waterfall or whatever like that in the kitchen. I wanted to get the, oh my can't even remember what it's called, but the washer and dryer kind of sits on it to kind of put more stuff underneath. But I figured, you know what, it's okay, because then it's going to be too high and I can't put like a backsplash. So backsplash back here, countertop here, sink is already good to go. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with this side just yet, but like I said, I know this side I am going to do wallpaper right here. So yeah, because we just put that there, we're going to have to probably cut everything off to make it fit. So that's currently what it's looking like. Yeah. All right. So that's currently what I plan on doing with the laundry room. I have no idea what's going on right here, but maybe I'm just tired because it is late. So either which way, I have no idea what I'm going to do with the rest. Let me just show you like the wallpaper. I think I might just keep the wallpaper that I have. This mirror right here I've had since I bought my mirror in the room. I have 3, and I need to like sweep back here. I need to pull this back, whatever, but I have 3 here, and then I have 1 more extra one in the laundry room. But these are extra parts to our oven. And this mirror right here, like I said, which is the same one in my room, in our room on the wall, this is gonna go in the powder room. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get more of these, but I don't know if Target still sells them, because I don't think 3 is enough. I don't think that 3 is enough or whatever like that for that wall. So yeah, but basically that's it, you guys. That is my plans, or those are my plans for the laundry room. It's not really gonna be a long video or whatever like that, but I am starting. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unroll the wallpaper and I'm gonna put it on the wall to kind of see. I might just take a tiny bit, or actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape instead of stripping the back off or whatever, because it's gonna be hard to take off. So I'm actually going to tape the wallpaper and just kind of roll it down and see how much wallpaper we have left, and then go from there. But the wallpaper is what I'm gonna start with first, because that's just that side. It's not gonna be affected or anything like that. And then we have to get the parts for the sink. So this is House to Home update 1 on the laundry room. All right, so I have 2 parts for that. So hopefully I can get everything started with this particular video and kind of still go back in and show you guys, you know, what I did and then finished product and stuff like that. So we have a lot to do in this house. So the laundry room is definitely going to be something that we're going to complete. And I think with everything that we have to do, it's going to take up to like a year or probably longer. But you know, that's the best thing about kind of like being in a home. We can take our time or whatever like that, not moving anywhere anytime soon. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to finish getting myself situated and getting myself ready, or completing what I have to complete for Valentine's Day for the girls or whatever like that. It's really late. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. And the reason why I'm up, because literally I was having the worst cramps, you guys. I know this is not the video for that, but I was having the worst cramps. So I went to bed early and I literally just woke up. So I'm up. I ate at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, this little guy right here has been here since we moved in. I don't know. It's just a spot for him. But yes, as you can see, I'm in the pantry. My daughter likes the boba right here. That's the room that I eat with chicken or whatever. But yes, I'm in the pantry currently right now, and I can't sleep. But I'm gonna try to get a healthy snack because I ate really, really late. So I'm gonna just watch Moana. I just finished watching Princess and the Frog, and I'm gonna sit on the couch and just relax and veg out. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys. That is a video. I'm going to keep you posted with the laundry room, and I believe in about 2 weeks it should be done, hopefully. All right, I will talk to you guys later. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, all right? I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video.